Artificial intelligence has found its way into many tools we use daily. Let's explore some popular examples and see how AI powers them behind the scenes. First up, smart speakers like Alexa. When you say something like, "Alexa, play my favorite song," AI listens, understands your voice commands, and responds immediately. It uses speech recognition to interpret your words, analyze your intent, and perform the requested action instantly. Next are translation apps. When you translate phrases or conversations from one language to another, AI quickly analyzes the input language and context, instantly providing accurate translations. It continuously learns from millions of translated texts to improve its accuracy. Lastly, chatbots. Chatbots can answer questions and provide assistance on websites and apps. They understand your inquiries through natural language processing, providing instant, helpful responses based on vast amounts of data. Each time you interact with these tools, AI seamlessly learns and improves, making technology increasingly intuitive and helpful.